Hello and welcome to free online acting class series by Actors Club Hyderabad, session number 2. I'm Nitin, your acting teacher, actor and director. I teach acting in a reputed film college in Hyderabad. In this series, we'll learn in detail about the various aspects of acting. Kindly subscribe, like and press the bell icon so that you can get notifications of the upcoming videos. You can post your questions and requests in the comment section. I'm also doing this video series in Hindi for those who prefer learning in Hindi. See the video until the end for interesting acting exercise. For those who haven't seen the first video, please watch it before watching this one. I'll post the link of it in the description box. Today, we'll discuss about riyaz or daily practice for an actor. Acting, like any other performing art, is a skill, and like any other performing art, one needs to practice it regularly in order to get better at it. You must be aware singers, musicians and dancers practice daily. Have you seen musicians tuning their instruments before the concert? Yeah. But what is actor's instrument? His body, voice and mind. So in order to keep our instrument tuned, actors also need to practice. But what should actors' daily practice include? Actors' daily practice should involve exercise for engagement of mind, soul, body, voice and speech. Let us start with voice and speech. To enrich your voice and speech, you should do breathing exercises, vocal exercises and speech exercises. Breathing exercises will increase your lung capacity and ultimately enrich the expression of your voice, strength of your voice. You should do it at least for 4 to 5 minutes daily. Most of these breathing exercises come from yoga and meditation. Most useful are Anulom Viloom, Sinhasan, diaphragm breathing, Kapalabhati. The detailed breathing exercises will be covered in a vocal warm-up session. But I will share some YouTube links where you can find someone doing it and you can practice with them. Benefits are you feel relaxed, energetic, and your voice sounds better, full and strong. Along with that, there are so many other benefits which are described in yoga. Second group of exercises are called vocal riyaz or practice. Vocal riyaz improves the range of your voice in terms of pitch, timbre and volume. You should do this at least for 5 minutes. Pitch is nothing but frequency of your voice. Timbre is unique quality of your voice. Volume is amplitude of your voice. You can do riyaz with any sound, or you can use sargam, sa, re, ga, ma, or you can use om. If you use an empty earthen pot and say Om or any other sound inside it, you will get more depth in your voice. It means you can pronounce lower frequency sounds with lot of energy and power. Breathing and vocal riyaz exercises are technical and should be done under professional guidance, but once you learn them, you should include them in your daily routine. Speech exercises. Actors should regularly work on improving their speech. Many successful actors work on these routines to increase the quality of their dialogue delivery, even after or especially after achieving great success in their career. Speech exercises include warm-up of facial muscles, consonant drills, tongue twisters, and reading dialogues or news. Speech is produced by organs like jaw, tongue, teeth, lips and palate. So warm-up for speech includes stretching and massage of facial muscles and jaw, stretching tongue. Next comes consonant and vowel drills. Many people mispronounce at least 5 to 6 consonants in their own mother tongue. This will reduce their chance of getting selected in auditions drastically. In Indian languages, we have sanyukt or mixed consonants like ksha, tra, gya, pra and so on. Many students cannot pronounce these properly. So first thing is actor should find out what he cannot pronounce correctly. He can take help from language teacher, but the best option would be voice and speech teacher. And once you understand how to pronounce it properly, you should keep on practicing it or drilling it until you can use it correctly without any effort in any word or sentence. Third exercise is tongue twisters.
चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदी की चम्मच से चटनी चटाई.
For the coordination of speech organs and brain, tongue twisters are best. They greatly improve the brain and speech organ coordination. It helps to make your mind alert. It is challenging and fun. I'll do a separate video on tongue twisters so that you can practice with me. Fourth exercise, read aloud at least for 5 minutes any newspaper or a script in various speeds. If you practice it daily, it will improve your speech. This covers your voice and speech warm-up or practice. If you are going for an audition or performing on stage or acting in front of camera, find time and space to do these things. It will help you a lot. You know, if you warm up before workout, the outcome is good. Similarly, if you warm up your voice before any sort of performance, trust me, it improves your performance a lot. Daily practice for 3 to 6 months will change your vocal performance tremendously. Trust me, if your instrument is not tuned, you will not sound right. Now we'll move to our second area, that is physical tuning or practice. Actors should be physically fit and have a flexible body. That is must. Your body should endure the workload. If you want to be a versatile actor, you need more. Physical theatre, action films, Bollywood dancing needs a very flexible, acrobatic and strong body. Even slapstick comedy and physical comedy also needs a very flexible bodies. So I suggest you should give at least 1 hour for doing one of the following. A physical warm-up routine where you stretch all major and minor muscles of your body, yoga, bodyweight exercises like push-ups, pull-ups, sit-ups, squats and so on, or workouts in the gyms, jogging, walking, cycling, dance, martial arts. If you excel in one or more of these and have physically fit body like say Tiger Shroff or Hrithik Roshan, your chances of getting athletic or heroic roles increases. In short, your chances of getting leads in films and television and web series improve. Let us learn about the other aspect of physicality of the character. Your body should be alert and should respond to the various stimuli very quickly. There are theatre games which make your body very responsive to the world around you. Even some of the games we play socially increase this alertness. For instance, musical chair. Many people play it during some celebrations. If you're not focused and alert, you cannot win in this game. Other game you must have heard is Simon Says. Third is exercise of mind and soul. Actors should be sensitive towards the happenings in the world. He should have empathy towards all sorts of people around him. For instance, your friend lost his father. Now, rather than just sympathizing, try to understand what he is going through. How is it affecting him emotionally, mentally, and economically? This will help you understand the mental and emotional state of the characters, and it will also help you to achieve the mood or emotion of your character. Other exercises which enrich your sensitivity and thought process are emotional preparation, Rasa box exercises, sense memory, and emotional memory exercises described in method acting. Today's exercise. Think about 5 physical activities you normally do at home. Think about the sequence and do them twice without changing the sequence. Second time, you should begin and end the exercise in the contrasting moods. It means if you start your first activity happily, you're very sad while doing the last one. That's all for today. See you in the next class. In next class, we will talk about the types of acting or components of acting. If you haven't seen the first video, please watch it. I'm sharing the link in the description box.